Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Today we are doing guided assessment. We will revise energy, unit number 8, lesson number 2 and 3. We will do workbook pages 69 till 71. Today's learning objective is to revise the topic with guided assessment. Students, as we have already learned the definition of energy. Energy is the ability to do work. Everything needs energy to do work. Heat, light, and sound are three different kinds of energy. Main source of light is sun. We get light from other sources also like candles, bulbs, tube lights, etc. Light travels in straight line. It bounces off objects that are smooth and shiny. Sound is a kind of energy. We can hear sound energy. Sound comes from objects that vibrate. Vibrate means to move back and forth very fast. Like if the girl plucks the guitar strings, we hear sounds when the strings vibrate. We can hear different sounds daily. Some are loud, some are soft. Like the ringing of school bell is loud and the chirp of baby bird is soft. Okay students, open page number 69 of your workbook. Keep your pencils in your hands and do the work according to the instructions. Write date, classwork and day on the book. Now look at question number 3. What can light do? Look and read. Write yes or no. Look at picture number 1. We can see light in the room. From where the light comes? It passes through a clear glass window or from the wall? No, it passes through a clear glass window. That's why yes is already written in the given blank. Number 2, does light bounce off shiny marbles? We have already learned that. So write yes or no according to that. Number 3, does light bounce back to you from a mirror? What do you think? Light bounces back from a mirror or not? Now number 4, does light pass through a bicycle? As we have learned that light cannot pass through from opaque objects. What do you think, cycle is opaque or transparent? Okay students, now move on question number 4. Which object does light pass through? Write about 3 objects. As we know that light can pass through transparent things, you will complete the given blanks with the help of word bank. Words are given: a window, a chair, thin paper, a rabbit, sunglasses, a clear plastic bag, or a door. You will choose any 3 from them which allow light to pass through them. Now move on next page, page number 70. Write date on the page. Now look at question number 1. Which object makes both light and sound? Look and circle. Now what you will do, you will circle the object that gives light and sound both. Now look at the pictures. In first picture, girl is playing with guitar. In second picture, boy is beating the drum. Third picture, boy is playing flute. And in fourth picture, you have seen firework. So circle which object gives light and sound both. Now move on question number 2. How do we hear the guitar? Read and order the sentences. I will read the sentences and you will write 1, 2 and 3 according to the sequence. A. We hear the sounds. B. A boy plucks the guitar strings. C. The strings vibrate. Now students, you will write 1, 2 or 3 according to the sequence that how we listen the sound of guitar. Question number 3. What's your favorite instrument? Think, write and circle. Now in first sentence, you will write the name of your favorite instrument. And in second sentence, you will circle can or can't. If you can play with that instrument, then you can circle can. Or if you cannot play, so circle can't. Now students, open page number 71. Write date on the page. Question number 4 is, what kind of sound can they make? Look and write soft or loud. First picture is aeroplane. Second picture shows rain. Third is clock alarm. And fourth is sound of train. So write loud if the object make loud sound, and write soft which object gives soft sound. Now students, move on question number 5. High or low? Read and answer the questions. I will read the text and then you will write the answers. Now listen carefully. Some animal sounds are high, other animal sounds are low. I can hear a cow, it makes a low sound. I can hear a cat, it makes a high sound. Small animals often make high sounds. Big animals often make low sounds. Now question number 1 is the sound of a cow low? Answer is already given. Yes, it is. Number 2, is the sound of a cat low? So write answer according to the text. Now number 3 is the sound of a bird high. Complete the sentence by using yes it is or no it isn't. Now students, question number 6. What sound do you like? What sound don't you like? Complete for you. Now students, you will complete the given blanks with the help of word bank. Words are given high, low, loud, soft. Now I will read the sentences and you will complete them. I like the sound of dash. It makes a dash sound. Now you will write the name of any sound which you like, and in second blank you will write which type of a sound it make. Second sentence is, I don't like the sound of dash. It makes a dash sound. In second sentence you will write first sound which you don't like, and in second blank you will write which type of a sound it make. Okay students, that's all for today. Allah Hafiz.